Hello everyone, I'm Lonnie and I'm back to share some delicious food with you. Today, we're making Furong Egg Rolls. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's crack 2 eggs into a bowl. We're going to make them super fluffy. Add 3 grams of salt, a little sprinkle of pepper, and 5 milliliters of sesame oil. Now, grab your chopsticks or whisk and beat those eggs like you're conducting an orchestra. We want them light and airy, just like clouds. Next, take 100 grams of shrimp and mash them into a paste. Think of it as creating edible Play-Doh. Mix in 100 grams of finely diced carrots, a pinch of pepper, 5 milliliters of cooking wine, and 3 grams of salt. Add a splash of our beaten eggs and mix everything together. We're creating flavor harmony here. Lightly oil your non-stick pan. Think of it as preparing a canvas for a culinary masterpiece. Pour in the beaten eggs and let them spread out naturally. Cook on low heat until golden brown, then flip it like you're turning the page of your favorite cookbook. Both sides should be this beautiful golden color. Place your egg crepe on a cutting board and spread that flavorful shrimp mixture evenly across it. Roll it up nice and tight, just like a magician preparing their next trick. Finally, set up your steamer with some water, place your egg roll on a plate, and steam for 8 minutes. The anticipation is like waiting for the curtain to rise at a show. Once done, slice it into beautiful pieces. Look at those spirals, aren't they gorgeous? Friends, you must try our Furong Egg Rolls. If you like this video, don't forget to let me know. If you find it helpful, please like and share. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.